Tired of fumbling in the dark? Meet the Gritin 10.2-Inch Rechargeable Motion Sensor Under Cabinet Lights. This 2-pack set comes with 84 high-brightness LEDs, built with durable aluminum alloy and ABS plastic for a sleek and sturdy design. Installation is effortless. The magnetic back lets you attach it to any metal surface, or use the included adhesive iron plates and screws for non-metal surfaces. Charging or relocating is simple, just detach and reattach. You'll love the versatile lighting options. Choose from 3 color temperatures: warm light at 3000 K, natural light at 4500 K, or cool light at 6000 K. There are also 5 adjustable brightness levels: 10%, 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%, plus stepless dimming for precision control. The motion sensing is smart and reliable. It offers 4 modes: off, night sensor mode, day sensor mode, and always-on mode. With a 120-degree wide detection angle and up to 10 feet sensing range, it turns on automatically when movement is detected, and shuts off after 20 seconds of no motion to save power. Powered by a built-in 1800 mAh rechargeable battery, it lasts up to 8 hours in always-on mode, and up to 45 days in sensor mode. USB-C charging makes it quick and convenient. Perfect for kitchens, closets, hallways, staircases, or pantries, these lights are a great way to brighten up any dark spot in your home without complicated wiring. Overall, the Gritin LED motion sensor lights are bright, versatile, and super easy to install. Check out the Gritin 10.2-Inch 2-pack on Amazon today, and light up your home with ease.